What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So, if you're having problems here with playing Roblox and you're getting that error code 403, well, there's something that you could try doing here. Now, if you're getting for the core error code 403 here, then most likely there are going to be some problems with the files that is currently installed in your PC. How do you fix that? First things first is you want to go to your search at the very bottom here and just type in RUN or the run app here and just press enter. Now from here you want to go ahead and type in the following, which is going to be percentage local app data percentage, and just click on OK. Now from here this will open up a folder, and what you need to do is you need to search for the Roblox folder. Now you might not be able to see it immediately, but a shortcut that you could try doing here, press or click one of the folders here and just press R on your keyboard and you should see Roblox here immediately on your screen. Now go ahead and right click on it and just click on the delete button. And once you delete that, what we need to do is you want to just go back into your browser, start running Roblox again, and you might need to reinstall the game, so just make sure to reinstall it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.